Hello everyone, this is Dikshak Bhatt from Team OYG. On behalf of our team, I welcome you all again in this virtual platform. And today we have in conversation with Mrs. Taranjit Kaur. Ma'am is a head nutritionist and a program manager in Metabolic Balance India. Ma'am has done her master's in dietetics and food services management. She is a NET qualified and diabetes educator. She has over 16 years of valuable experience as a clinical nutritionist and a weight management guru. Currently, she is a head at the German nutrition program called Metabolic Balance for India. She works at the Active Health at the Indian headquarters for the program. Metabolic Balance is a scientific personalized nutrition program which believes in recommending the whole foods and no pills or powders. This program is available over 16 languages and more than 30 countries across the globe. Before Active Health, Ma'am has worked in a nutritional counselor with the Apollo Clinics at New Delhi, where she spent more than 8 years. Apart from counseling and managing the weight of her patients, she's also worked as a numerous on-field projects like conducting the group education sessions. She was also a part of a government organization called Stri Shakti, where she educated the lower income residents for the community. She was also appeared in the TV show Sehat Nama, a DD Urdu channel presentation where she took part in a 14 episode. Ma'am also holds the life membership of Indian Dietetic Association, Nutrition Society of India, Association of Diabetic Educators. Ma'am has done scientific and research work in this field as well, which was also published in a leading newspapers, magazines, and journals. On behalf of our team, I welcome you, ma'am, on this virtual platform, and I hope I haven't missed anything from your introduction, ma'am. So now, without a further ado, I would like you to take over, ma'am.
Thank you so much, and I am glad that I'm here today and would be able to help naturopaths see a new dimension to their careers. And I think this is a great opportunity for you all students, whoever takes up naturopathy or Ayurveda, or dietetics. So this is an excellent upcoming field for India, for Indian students. So I will share the screen and start.
Sure, ma'am.
So please let me know when the screen is visible.
Ma'am, it's visible. We can see your screen, ma'am.
Yes. So as Bhavit mentioned that, the topic for today is that the tool that puts you ahead of other nutritional consultants. So though naturopathy involves much more than just nutrition, but then this can be an essential and important part of your practice. And to make it easy, I today introduce you to this program. But before that, I'll introduce you with the stats and what is the need and requirement of this time. Okay. So India's obesity epidemic has doubled in the last 10 years, though this is not the 2020 data, it's a little earlier than that, but still, if the doubling stats are seen, you can imagine what status are we at now. Number of obese people in India has crossed 30 million. Obesity increases the risk of developing diabetes by 80 to 85%. So insulin resistance and pre-diabetes, most of the obese people stand in this criteria. And looking at urban children, 30% of urban children are already suffering from obesity. So India needs to lose weight. Almost 3 out of 4 Indians are overweight. Half of the urban Indians are obese. So you can understand that what is the status, and you all coming from a medical background, you do study the human anatomy, you know what complications are the increasing weight, the overweight and obesity can bring along. So this is a chart from the Global Burden of Disease study, and it clearly shows that there is high prevalence of obesity in states like Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu, along with the eastern states of Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya.
Sorry to
So,
interrupt you, ma'am, but your first slide is only visible. We cannot see the other slide, ma'am.
so just a moment. Mm.
Ma'am, it must be yeah. Now we can see the fourth slide.
Now you can see the full slide, but you are at which slide? Number 2 or 3?
Right now, the fourth slide is visible, and just change to third.
Third slide. But the moment I take it to slideshow, that is not happening, right?
Yeah, we cannot. We just show the first slide only there.
Okay, you can just wait for a minute and let me know if the obesity prevalence in India map can be seen.
Sure, ma'am. Right now, it's the third slide is visible. We can see the map.
You can see the map. Perfect. So I was talking that there is a high increase in the prevalence rate of obese people in India. And as you mentioned that your group has students from all over India, I mean, residing in different states, so they can understand the need of weight reduction in all the states marked in red and green majorly. Could you please assist me for if the slide is visible for diabetes prevalence now?
Yes, obesity prevalence is visible. Diabetes prevalence I cannot see. Obesity prevalence is visible. Third number slide is visible now.
Okay, I am now on the fourth.
It's not yet changed here.
Okay. So I think I'll have to go back each time and share.
I think, ma'am, the slideshow is not working, but you can change the slides in the.
Okay. Then may I continue like this only?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. It's perfectly fine.
Okay. So again, looking at the diabetes prevalence in India, the percentage of prevalence, the change from between 1990 to 2016, again from the global burden disease, we see a 50% increase in the prevalence in states like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Nagaland. Okay, and as I scroll below, even the states in orange, such as Jammu Kashmir and Orissa, have high prevalence of diabetes. Diabetes bring along a lot of complications such as heart attack, stroke, peripheral artery disease, diabetic retinopathy, cataracts, glaucoma, diabetes foot, diabetes nephropathy, and neuropathy as well. So you are already aware that, I mean, and to quote it, 90.32 billion rupees are spent on diabetes each year. So the global burden and I mean the Indian burden for these diseases also very, very high. Coming to the cardiovascular diseases, again, a very high risk, high prevalence in states like Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. And the moment we, come across things like hypertension along with high fasting glucose, or a low HDL, high triglycerides, a combination of these sets us to understand that how many people land in metabolic syndrome. You all must have heard the name. So metabolic syndrome is recognized as a major epidemic of the 21st century. And people with metabolic syndrome have twice the likelihood of developing and dying from heart disease and more than 7 times the risk of developing diabetes. So today, when you hear about hypertension, cancer, and hormonal issues such as PCOS or diabetes, insulin resistance, all are, start from the root cause of metabolic syndrome, one thing leading to the other. And one of the main baseline that is set to define anybody for a metabolic syndrome is a waist circumference. A high waist circumference combined with any two of the issues, as I mentioned before, lands you in the category of metabolic syndrome. So it is not that the requirements of a healthy diet and lifestyle are there, but it is more so essential at this time if we need to have a good lifestyle for our countrymen, for the Indian people, and I mean we want them to have a good healthy life where they are not spending much on their illnesses, but they are spending maybe on their food and leading a good healthy lifestyle and saving the amount for a better living, right? So we also need to understand that what are the reasons, what is happening, why are people landing in these situations. So what do we really know about what makes us fat? So the two theories that we have been listening to are that obese people eat more calories than they expend, and obese people have to eat less or exercise more, right? All of you must have heard this. But what is the actual situation? Most of us see that sometimes the leanest of our friends is the one who eats the maximum. और जो जिनका वेट ज्यादा है वो बेचारे कम खा रहे हैं तो भी they are kind of putting on weight, right? So our metabolism is designed for scarcity. It is not that eating less will help you lose weight and exercising more. Being able to store more energy translated into a survival advantage. Fat people often eat less than skinny people. That is what I mentioned to you right now. So obesity is not a problem with energy balance. Agar itna hi hota, so people who are working for long hours in the gym would have been the skinniest. But that is not so. Obesity is a problem of storage, that we are storing more fat. And why is that happening? So are we confounding cause and effect? Are obese people obese because they eat too much? Or do obese people eat too much because their metabolism is out of balance? Right? In naturopathy, in Ayurveda, we also understand and learn that everything starts from digestion in the body. And in case there is wrong digestion, in case there is a hormonal imbalance, a person may get into the cycle of cravings, putting on more weight, and going or heading towards a further imbalance, right? So what have we been doing till now? So till now, there were stories about the low fat diet, कम तेल खाएंगे तो जल्दी पतले हो जाएंगे, high carb diet, too much fiber to help you lose weight. In the recent times, we are even listening to the keto diets where there is all high fat and protein and rarely, very, very little carb. 5 to 6 meals per day, low calorie diet, and more exercise. So if these were giving us good results, we should all have been thin and lean by now. But this is not working, right? A doctor in Germany, Dr. Wolf, in fact, and he was working and researching on obesity and obese people, that why do people go into yo-yo effect? Why is there not a single or any plan that could help them prevent this yo-yo effect and gaining weight again and again and disbalancing their blood values, hormones, and so on? So after a lot of research, he came up with the Metabolic Balance Program. Now, this program was developed by this doctor and his team of physicians and nutritional scientists in 2001. And since then, it has been there across the globe, helping a large number of people. Over 1 million people across 30 countries have been successfully, being helped with this program. This program is a sophisticated nutrition system based on more than 35 of clients' blood values and their medical history, food preferences, and their body measurements, of course. So this is a tool that puts you ahead of other nutritional consultants because it does the hard work for you by creating an individualized meal plan for your clients. Most times, even if we realize we develop the diet charts and recommend things to people, but here what happens is once you enter the blood values and the details, medical history of the client, The program that they've developed gives you a food plan wherein there is a list of proteins, list of vegetables that is good for your client, all these things with their amounts mentioned in a manner where all this can help the jigsaw puzzle that is disrupted and disbalanced in the human body, help it to correct it. So this is not a blood group diet. Okay, so this is very individualized, because none of us have a complete matching of 35 blood parameters, nor are we exactly like each other. Even if there are twins, they will have a certain difference in their 35 blood parameters. Okay, so this is a roadmap to long-lasting success backed by 25 years of clinical research. So the doctor and his team took about 25 years to make this program, and today, I mean, since last almost 20 years now, it has been successfully working across the globe. Now, to make you understand, when we talk about obesity and weight loss, what is the international recommendation for long-term success of a potential efficient weight management program? So it says that if 50% participants reduce their weight by more than 5% and maintain it for more than 1 year, then the program is found to be a successful one. And when the study, there is a proper published study to this program. I will give you the link and you can read on that as well. So 62.5% of participants reduced their weight by more than 5% and maintained it at least for 1 year. So that is how this comes under one of the most successful weight management programs across the world. Regarding comparison with other weight loss methods across the globe, which are, I mean, well renowned, are Weight Watchers, Slimming World, and NHS Size Down and others. Amongst these also, on comparison, it was found that Metabolic Balance scored the highest rating and was more than double that the Weight Watchers were achieving. I think most of you must have heard about the Weight Watchers program. And at any point of time, if you have questions, you can list out and give to your host, so that he can reach back to me, and I will also mention the email address that you can send your queries to. So the Metabolic Balance program, as I mentioned earlier, has over 1 million satisfied clients across the globe, over 20 years of experience in helping people get their hormonal balance, lose weight, and gain better health in more than 30 countries. So this program is available in over 16 languages across the globe. So as I was mentioning in the earlier slides, the metabolic nutrition plan is based on 35 plus 1 parameter, which is derived from those 35 only: current weight, waist circumference, hip and thigh circumference, information on diseases, allergies, intolerances, information on medication, and food preferences. Of course, if you are a vegan, a vegetarian, a lacto-vegetarian, or an ovo-lacto-vegetarian, those who eat only eggs but no flesh. So everything is taken into consideration when developing this individualized nutrition plan. The best thing about this program is that there are no pills, no powders, no shakes, and no supplements. This program is just pure nutrition and imparting good knowledge to our clients about healthy eating, giving them a roadmap for a healthy lifestyle. Asking them about powders and supplements would mean making them dependent on us. And this is not what we want. We can help them, show them the way, and help them be their own nutritionist, right? And yes, in case, suppose there is a girl who gets her plan made for PCOD, PCOS, she comes to you and after a while gets married, has children and wants to reduce weight after the baby, after the lactation period, she can go back onto her plan and restart. If there she needs help for consults, I mean, you can charge for the consults, but no need to get the program developed again. So the earlier program will work for her. In case there are any severe medical issues, only then will you need to rework the program. Otherwise, once made for an adult, the program works for a very long time. So it works like this, that if you have a client, you make them learn, we'll guide you with all the raw material. When you do the certification and become a franchisee, that you help the client understand why it works, get their blood test done, give them a profile form. The blood test the client has to get done on their own. Then the nutrition plan, you send all the details forward, get a plan for them, which has 2 days of preparation phase, strict conversion phase, relaxed conversion phase, and the maintenance phase. So what is the difference? What is bringing in this good result? Whereas we saw that common dietary recommendation recommend low-fat diet, on metabolic balance, there is no fear of fat, healthy fats, but in recommended amounts, there's moderation. It's not like a way beyond that you could eat, loads of deep fried food. No, it's not like that. Then in common dietary recommendation, it's high carbohydrate. Here, we give fewer high quality carbohydrates, only 3 meals divided through the day. As in Ayurveda and old times, it was breakfast, lunch, dinner. So here also we recommend only 3 meals, no snacking in between. Let the body digest the food consumed and be ready for the next meal. Once you start feeling hungry, that is the time when you will get your next meal. So a minimum 5 hours gap between your meals. It's a normal calorie diet. There's no starvation. We don't tell people to eat very little food. We give them sufficient food to help their body work. The idea is कि जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि गाड़ी पेट्रोल के बिना नहीं चलेगी, right? So similarly, without adequate fuel, the car engine may, be deteriorated. Similarly, without adequate calories, your body may again go in for starvation. So this is a normal calorie diet, and we recommend moderate exercise. We don't tell people to sit in the gym for 4 or 5 hours. A normal WHO recommendation of 30 minutes to 1 hour good physical activity is more than enough to go with the diet and help them lose weight, balance their hormones, and help get an efficient body system. So these are the kinds of results that we get. So though the program is for 3 months, the clients go on following it and lose further. You may assist them as a consultant for long if they need more hand-holding from you. So you can see from 132, this man has reached 67 kgs, though it did not happen in 3 or 4 months. Along with weight loss, this program is not only going to help you lose weight and balance your hormones, it helps in reduction of inflammation. So helps correct your autoimmune issues, your inflammatory issues, because here when you are recommended the proteins that match to your body system, it really helps to bring down inflammation in your body, understand which foods were triggering the issues. And so as happened with Miss Usha Vora, she definitely got benefit and was able to avoid painkillers. She was on a heavy dosage of painkillers, which after the program she actually just stopped taking. She did not require them anymore. Her migraine issue was sorted. Her hypothyroid issue was sorted. And though she had little weight to lose, she was not overweight. I mean, a little, she just had to lose about 5-6 kilos, and which she did. But her inflammation was her major issues, which she was able to curb with the program. So now coming to the point, how to become a certified coach. So if you want to become a part of the Metabolic Balance India team and practice as a metabolic balance consultant, you have to register with us. And once you register, there is a 16 to 18 hours online course, and there is 2 days of implementation training, which now happens online only, but the 2 days are mentioned on the website. So the coming days are 24th and 25th of February, where we'll have this implementation training. So in case you are keen to opt for the registration, you can do now. The next batch will be in the first week of May for the 2-day training. The online video classes, you can start even now, even if you feel that 24th, 25th February, you won't be able to join. You can register for the April implementation training, but start the video lessons right now, whenever in the next coming few days. The advantages of adding the metabolic balance program to your clinics are that you expand your clinic tools for excellent client results, time saving because the major work is done by the team in Germany, and you are then able to, you just have to modify, make little changes, understand your clients' needs, and counsel in a proper manner. So we help you with the protocols for everything, and help you with streamlining all the aspects of client dealing in our implementation training. Enhances the uniqueness of your clinic. Having an international program, a program with international recognition, is surely a uniqueness of your clinic in your area. Fast return on investment. So the best thing about the program is that once you enroll for the training, you are getting your own metabolic balance program as part of the training, which is actually almost the cost of the program that we sell. And the integration is simple because you are already naturopaths and have some experience working with your clients. You can enroll and for the registration, and you can enroll for the program. Regular training opportunities from our side, professional support by the metabolic balance team in India, plus the scientific advisory board, ensures word of mouth referrals from satisfied clients, personal benefits, as I mentioned, your own MB plan. As a scientific validated and food only program, provides an excellent opportunity to collaborate with doctors and medical practitioners. So you can let them know that suppose there is an endocrinologist in your city and he's finding that there are few clients who are not responding to medicines very well and need a correction of the diet. You can help suggest this program to them and have a collaboration with them to take this ahead. And once you become a consultant, you receive an access to the website where you request the meal plans. Your name would be there, name and your clinic details will be there on the international website. And in case, suppose you do not have your own clinic or you are not keen to set up your own clinic, you can share a clinic with any doctor. About 2 hours maybe per day sitting at somebody else's clinic will help you get clients from them also and start your practice. And once you are able to take it ahead, you can then set up your own space. We help you with the marketing avenues, as in use of logo, photos, recipes, forms, PowerPoint presentation, guidance with the challenging clients. All the support is there from our side. Advertising material templates, certificate that you get, a consultant support 24/7 on WhatsApp, Facebook support and networking groups, bi-monthly meetings, annual meetings, and much more. So twice a month, we all coaches have a meeting where we discuss cases, we update ourselves with new knowledge, and keep growing as consultants. So this is it for today. And in case you have questions and queries, kindly send them to metabolic@activehealth.in. You can call us at 4730-7700. WhatsApp number is 813-0039-432. And you can check the website www.metabolic-balance.in. Thank you so much. And for any questions, please feel free. You can read the website, and whatever queries you can bring them to us. It is an excellent, rewarding option to add on to your current practice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a wonderful presentation you gave, and you gave all the insight of the particular topic. We are glad that we had a time to join with you and has this wonderful session. Ma'am, there are some few questions I wanted to know about from your side.
Right.
Ma'am, first question from my side is how you build your rapport with your patients.
So that is, first, listening is very important. The most essential part of any medical practitioner is you listen to your clients. Let them speak out their issues, hear them out where they are troubled, what are the issues that they face. Because in India, our doctors, allopathic doctors especially, are so very busy. They would devote you just a minute or a two, and you have to explain and listen to them and move out of the room for the next client to come in. But we are fortunate as nutritionists, as naturopaths and Ayurvedic doctors, that we have time and space to listen out to our clients. So what we do is we fix up times. So we do, seek our clients on appointment only, give them enough of their time to understand their requirements, what are the issues that they are dealing with, what are the habits that they are used to, because changing a lifestyle is not an easy job.
Exactly, ma'am.
If people could do it from internet or Google, they would have done it by now. Google is flooded with numerous diets, and I think then a profession of nutritionist would not exist at all.
I agree, ma'am.
Yeah. So building a rapport, first and foremost aspect is listen to your client, be empathetic towards them, understand their issues. चाहे मान लो आपको नहीं पसंद कि वो बार बार चाय पी रहे हैं, पर let us listen to their issues, what stress they are undergoing, what are the issues that has made them get into this habit, then giving them a solution and holding their hand to come out, with that solution.
Ma'am, one thing I wanted to ask is the patient, when comes to patient. So in the beginning of time, they have the lots of motivation to continue the diet. But after some time, I find that after some time, they are not sticking to the diet, or they are not continuing the following diet. They are giving a cheat days and everything. It's increasing day by day. So, ma'am, how would you tackle that kind of a situation in the patient?
Yeah. So the beauty of that of the metabolic balance program is that initially, though, as I mentioned, there's a 2 days of detox and the 14 days of strict phase. After that, we start oil, get the person used to that oil, and later we recommend them to have at least one treat meal every week, so that they do not have the cravings or don't go out to binge unnecessarily. That is an inbuilt feature of the program to help them understand how to go about and make this as their lifestyle. So it is not a task of a day or two, but then helping them understand for a long-term solution. And also we have protocols where we help them, even if they've reached a plateau, to overcome the plateau and go on to reach their health goals.
Ma'am, can you share your experience with with your patient regarding this particular program so that it will inspire us for continuing the program?
Yes. So in this program, as I mentioned, it is not just about weight loss. कई बार ऐसे होता है आपने लो कैलोरी पे डाल दिया लेकिन क्लाइंट को न्यूट्रिएंट डेफिशिएंसी हो गई, माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स कम हो गए, they face multiple kinds of issues. Here the focus is on giving them a balanced meal at each of the 3 meals. There is a proper protein, there is vegetables, fruit, there is a cereal to go along, so it's a complete balanced meal wherein you can incorporate sufficient variety to help them adhere to the rules of the program. So even when so as I said, not about weight loss, they improve their digestion, they improve their sleep. Okay, agar kisi ko hormonal issues hain, the girls, in case they have period pains or irregular periods or stuff like that, that also is rectified. Thyroid, hypothyroid values that are fluctuating, most people are facing the thyroid issues these days, that is helped with. And basic structures, if somebody is suffering from diabetes, say, and helping them come down from insulin to oral medication and then lowering down the oral medication to the minimum dosage required. These are some of the benefits that a person achieves. Lowering down of cholesterol, blood pressure, everything just with the diet. Because you people as naturopaths and as doctors do believe that every major part from the food that we consume, from the thoughts that we consume, the kind of stress we have, trying to help our client manage all these well is the motive.
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, the one thing I wanted to know about yourself is how do you find yourself to the your way to continue the nutrition? How you find yourself to the nutrition field?
Okay, how did I find?
Yeah.
So that's an interesting journey. I was also like all the medical students keen to go into MBBS. Okay. However, despite several years of attempts, I could not clear that. So after my graduation, I got married. Okay, I did my bachelor's in sciences and got married. And after that, while I had my daughters, I was always reading something. I was very fond of books. So I realized that each time I went out to buy a book, it was about food. One day I sat down and thought that if I'm reading so much about food, why don't I do a course in it? So just to experiment after my children, I started with a certificate course, a postgraduate certification that I started with in nutrition counseling, found it interesting, and realized that I need to learn more. That is when I started with my master's. And later on, went on to do my research, which I did very extensively on canola oil and its effects at Safdarjung Hospital. So this, came out as a passion that I understood about myself. And I feel lucky that today God, has given me the ability and strength to work and earn with my passion. So that's a brilliant, aspect that I feel. If you work and if you get to work in a field which you are passionate about, then there is no limit where you can proceed.
Actually, we are lucky that we could connect with you, that you choose this field and we are get connected, so we are lucky as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for connecting with me, and I wish that most of your colleagues and your peers get to know about the program and avail of these options that are new to India and would give a definite golden edge to your practice. Because otherwise, see, one more thing that I would like to bring up is, because naturopaths, many a times people end up working in spas and resorts and helping them manage things like that. In case you have this benefit of having a metabolic balance program to your credentials, it can take you to the next level altogether. So,
Sure, ma'am, definitely. We are looking forward to that.
So it would definitely give you a golden chance to, progress in your field and earn a good income from your profession.
Ma'am, last question from my side. Do you want to anything suggest or tips for us aspiring doctors, ma'am?
Aspiring doctors, I want to tell them that make sure that whatever you are doing with complete passion. Don't take it as a burden. So today, if you are studying and feeling that this is burdensome for you and you're not relating to it, then you might get lost after that. So stick to things, because when you are passionate about something and you work in that field, you will never be tired. You
Yes, ma'am.
understand? You have that good energy to work, and there are so many fields to grow in today. There is online consultation, there are fields to explore, and you youngsters, when you are on Insta, Facebook, so we all see that the media has changed from the print media, the newspaper and TV. We are now hooked to Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn. That is how we found each other. So in these areas, there is a lot of scope to connect with a wider audience, make the best use of social media, of connecting with people. Don't just limit yourself to the horizons of working in one or the other place. Look at more options that you can create. you know as I mentioned, metabolic balance is surely one of them. And if you have your peers in different states. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you have peers in different states, they can definitely opt for. I wanted to put a map of where we are currently so that you get an idea, but then I'll share that in the next meeting if we have. So currently we are in northern India majorly, in Delhi NCR and Punjab. There are 2 coaches in Jaipur, one in Mumbai. So there is a lot of scope in South India for metabolic balance. So if you want to know more or connect with me, you can let your peer know about the email address and the phone number, and they can surely connect with us.
Sure, ma'am. Definitely. We will share your details to everyone, and we hope that more and more people will connect with you. And as well, even myself, I'm trying to, in future to connect with you. In future, if we get a time in a personal chit chat, we would like you to invite us and had a, live conversation with you. So it was a lovely time, ma'am, joining with you.
Sure, anytime. We'll do that and plan for good. Thank you so much for having me. God bless.
It's our pleasure that you connected with us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your valuable time.
Thank you.